Hello friends, this is Paresh Gosar. So today I am going to give you a detailed description about the Atmos Lacquer antenna and other available antennas which one can say as duplicates, something like that. So what this Atmos antenna, Lacquer antenna is all about? If you see the different components that is as, this is the cursor, these are the two foldable hands in the Atmos Lacquer antenna, and this is the cubes that we enter over here, and this is the scale which is called the frequency scale, which when we put on different scale and measure, we get the readings what we want. Now same things we will find also on the other available lacquer instruments, but what is the main difference, why they don't work and why this works, or why this gives a proper reading and they don't give even any type of readings? So the main difference here it lies, sir. If you measure the scale, this is exactly 20 centimeters, whereas you will find that there is a difference in the size by few mm's. Again, this instrument is originally invented by Dr. Rene Nakasia, and he is the original maker, researcher of this instrument, whereas the other one, whoever has made it, he has just tried to duplicate. Now in duplicating also what has happened, he has not engineered it or calibrated it properly. That is the main thing. Otherwise, why go for something which is priced so heavily, and why not buy something which is readily, cheaply available? But because main three components which are necessary to take a proper reading, if they are not there in any instrument, then even though if it is cheap, it is worthless, because you cannot take a proper reading. So one thing I told you is the size. Second thing, if you see in this original one, this across the stainless steel rings which are passing, these strips, they come up to the end where these two sensor points are there, the two holes are there. If you see, these two holes are absent in the duplicate one. So for any reading, if people who are using lacquer antenna will know, and I also teach all these things in my course that I take online of Atmos Lacquer antenna training that I do. When we hold the lacquer antenna, so say if I want to take some person's 7 chakra readings, what I have to do is these two holes has to face to that person, sir. These two holes have to face, then only it will scan the energies. But if you say that I put on a different scale and I am checking in this manner, then I am checking the energy which is below and not of the person. And this is where many people do the wrong, because they scan the lacquer antenna facing down instead of facing the person whom they want to check. And even though if they check and the instrument that they are using, if it doesn't have these two holes, then it will still not scan. So this is the second important point, which is a difference between the original Atmos Lacquer antenna and the local available antennas which are duplicate. The third important thing is, this antenna we need to hold a little bit, we have to hold it little tight, where the compression or the pressure that I have to give while holding is towards inside. But if you give that same pressure with the Indian one or the local duplicate one, you will find that it will almost open. These two handles, they will open up. You will not be able to hold the antenna. Then again, one more thing that is there, that the box that you pull out, this is connected here where you can take your reading, but the box that you pull out in the duplicate one is not connected with the antenna actually. So again, even you cannot take your own reading. So what is the best thing then still, if you have the normal local one, what you can do with it? What you can do is, initially when you are practicing, when you take a course and you have not got the original one, what you can do? You can use the local one for practicing. It is very helpful in that, because till you buy the original one or you invest this money, you can use that for practice purpose, because there are many different exercises which you have to do, with the antenna. And all this I teach in my online courses that I am taking of lacquer antenna training. These are 3 days training that I do, which takes around 2 hours every day. And what I cover is how to use the antenna, what are the different exercises that we have to do with instrument and without instrument, where this lacquer antenna is used, what are the different objects you can scan, how you can scan a human being, all the 7 chakras, all the organs, Then in a Vastu, how you can check earth energy, cosmic energy, telluric energies and geopathic energies and all that, and also give notes about all the different frequencies. Plus we also give the recordings. We also give the recordings of the course that you attend with us. You just have to fill a normal form and we give all this. So friends, this is the important difference between Lacquer antenna, the two different Lacquer antennas that are available. And you can always contact us. This is my mobile number, WhatsApp number 98693 520061. If you think anywhere down the line that you need to contact us and do the Lacquer antenna training with us, or would like to understand more about Lacquer antenna or different courses that we take like Astro Vastu, Modern Vastu, KP Astrology, then Advanced Energy Vastu, and few more courses that we have which we have started on online. So friends, do contact us. Thank you.